welcome to my lecture. Today I am going to discuss about addition operation. In previous class we have discussed about polynomial creation, right? You can represent polynomials using arrays and linked list also. In your syllabus they have given linked list. So we have discussed about how to implement this polynomial expression using linked list. Creation is completed. Next operation is addition. Let us discuss how to add the two polynomial expression by using linked list. Let us see it. So I request all the students to take your notes as first I will explain, listen it, and then you can note down. Okay, see here first. P1 equal to P1, first expression. P1 equal to 4x cube plus 6x plus 3. First listen, 4x cube plus 6x plus 3. P2 equal to, here what is that?
4x plus 1.
2x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay, thank you. 2x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay, what is the topic? You need to add, okay, you need to add these two polynomial expression. Let us take resultant is P3. P3 equal to 58. Mahesh, off your video. Mahesh, please off your video. Okay. See, what is the result? Can anyone say? What is the result?
P1 plus
P1
P2.
plus P2.
P2.
అదే P1 plus P2నే రిజల్ట్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి. P3లో P3 contains just add these two. 4x cube
6x cube, ma'am.
6x cube. మా ఏంటండి పాలినామియల్ ఎడిషన్ రాదా?
2x square plus 10x plus 4.
Yes. Okay, this is what you are going to add, right? In this way you are going to add, you are going to get this result. Now according to the linked list, let us see how, according to the algorithm, according to the algorithm, let us solve this using linked list. See here why you got 4x cube. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, you have to compare the exponents, అంతే కదా. See 4x cube here in P2, whether there is x cube term. No, there is no x cube term. If there is no x cube term, you are going to add 4x cube to the resultant array, resultant polynomial expression. What is this resultant polynomial expression? P3. P3 is resultant. So there is no x cube term P2 లో లేదు. There is no x cube term లేదు కాబట్టి you are simply adding P1 expression, P1 term ఏంటది 4x cube. Next తర్వాత చూడండి, see there is no x square term. P1 లో there is no x square term, so you are not going to add, just simply you are going to write down just 2x square in P3. Next, coming to x power 1, yes, there is x power 1. There is the term 6x in P1 and there is a term 4x, x power 1. Okay, there is term. So you are going to add 6 plus 4. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? You are going to add the exponents. Exponents ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నారు. 6 plus 4 ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1 second. 6 plus 4 10, right? 10x. తర్వాత x power 0. See 3 plus 1 4. You are getting like this. Now let us see according to the algorithm how you are going to perform this operation using linked list. Let us see it. Let us see. Please do not write. I'll explain. Okay, let us see. I'm sorry for the disturbance. Okay, see. See here, first just compare the exponents. First term enti, see the cursor, see this black one, this is the pointer, p1 pointer, it is pointing to 4x cube. Okay, p2, it is pointing to the 2x square. First what you have to do, you have to compare these exponents. First you need to compare the exponents. See, 3 is greater than 2, right? First, you have to compare the exponents. P1 is pointing to 4x cube node. P2 is pointing to 2x square node. Now, what you are going to do? You are going to compare the exponents. Here, compare the exponent of P1, compare the exponent of P2. Now, the P1 pointer is at 4x cube. P2 pointer is at 2x square. Okay, now compare cheyandi. See, this P1 pointer. This one is P2 pointer. Okay, see here. 3 is greater than 2. 383 is greater than 2. It is not equal kada. Equal kaadu, less kaadu. What is this? 3 is exponent 4x cube. You are comparing 4x cube, 2x square. This is greater kabatti what you are going to do? See here. Just observe carefully. Which one exponent is greater? A exponent greater ga undi. P1 exponent is greater. Okay, na 3 is greater than 2 ante ikkada there is no x cube term. X cube term e ledu. So ledu kabatti what you are going to do, you are going to add edi greater P1. See, P1, 3 is greater than 2, P1. Okay na, edi greater? P1 exponent is greater. So your P3 you are going to add P1's term. What is the P1's term? 4x cube. See, according to the algorithm, I am going to explain. Please listen. See carefully. Okay, now see. Now what you are going to do? Which term is greater? P1's term is greater. Ante kada? 4x cube. Cube is greater. 3 is greater than 2. P1 is pointing to 4x cube. P2 is pointing to 2x square. Edi greater? P1's term greater kabatti you need to what is this? You need to increment the pointer. That means this pointer will move to the next term. See here, see this black line. Em jarugutundi? Which one is greater? P1's exponent is greater. Greater ante there is no x cube term in P2. P2 lo x cube term ledu. That means you need to add P1's term. Edi greater? P1's term e greater kabatti that you have to add. After adding, you need to advance the pointer. P1 pointer previous ga 4x cube it is pointing. Now you need to advance P1 pointer. Enduku P1 pointer ni meer advance chestunnaru because which one is greater? See, edi greater chudandi. Which one is greater? X cube term is greater. That's why 1 second. See here, which one is greater? P1's term is greater. That's why you need to advance the P1 pointer. P2 pointer will be in 2x square only. Observe carefully. Okay. Now once again repeat the process. Malla repeat cheyandi. See. Now P1 is pointing to 6x power 1. P2 is pointing to 2x square only. మీరు ఏ పాయింటర్ ని అడ్వాన్స్ చేస్తారు? P1 pointer is advanced. P2 is there itself only. Akkade undi. Now compare. P1 exponent enti 1. 2 compare cheyandi. 1 is less than 2 kada. Indulo edi greater chudandi. See, itla chestan. See here. 2 is greater than 1. ఈ 2 ఏంటి? P2 term. ఇదేంటిది? P1's exponent. Okay. Now, is it clear? What I am saying, is it clear? అర్థమవుతుందా నేను చెప్పేది? Are you able to understand? Once again, I have to say. Hello? వింటున్నారా?
Yes, ma'am. వింటున్నాను.
Yes, ma'am.
సరే ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు
ఫాస్ట్ చెప్తున్నారు మ్యామ్.
ఫాస్ట్ గా చెప్తున్నానా? ఓకే, సరే. మళ్ళా ఫస్ట్ నుంచి చెప్పనా, ఇక్కడ నుంచి చెప్పనా?
పర్వాలేదు
Ma'am,
ma'am,
ఒకసారి
ఇక్కడి నుంచే చెప్పండి.
ఫస్ట్ నుంచా? ఓకే. See, according to the algorithm, I'm saying, please listen carefully. ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి పి ఈ p1 పాయింటర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది 4x క్యూబ్, p2 పాయింటర్ ఇస్ ఎట్ 2x స్క్వేర్. సి ది బ్లాక్ వన్, బ్లాక్ లైన్. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? యూ నీడ్ టు కంపేర్ ది ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్. ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ కంపేర్ చేయండి. సి 1 సెకండ్. p1 ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ ఏంటి 3 అంతే కదా. సి p1 is pointing to 4x cube, p2 is pointing to 2x square. Now what are its exponents ఏంటి 3. 3 is greater than 2. ఏది గ్రేటర్ చూడండి, which one is greater? 3 is greater than 2. ఈ 3 దేనిది? 3 is p1's exponent. ఈ 2 దేనిది? p2's exponent. ఆల్వేస్ యూ నీడ్ టు కంపేర్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్. కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఈక్వలా, గ్రేటరా, లెస్సా, that you have to see. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి 3 is greater than 2 అంటే దేనిది? p1's exponent. అందుకని వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, సి గ్రేటర్ కాబట్టి దేర్ ఇస్ నో ఈక్వల్. ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ టర్మే లేదు, అందుకే కదా గ్రేటర్. ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ టర్మ్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్. 3 p2లో కూడా ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ టర్మ్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ p2లో 6x క్యూబ్ ఉందనుకోండి, వాట్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ? 3 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 అంతే కదా. ఇది వచ్చి p1ది, దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ p2. ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటే యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు యాడ్ ది కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్. ఈక్వల్ గా లేదు అంటే వాట్ ఇట్ మీన్? దట్ మీన్స్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ టర్మ్ ఇన్ p2లో అసలు ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ టర్మే లేదు. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? జస్ట్ యాడ్ ఇట్ టు ది p3. ఏది గ్రేటరో చూడండి, విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్? p1's టర్మ్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్, దాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్. ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ యాడ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, కంప్లీటెడ్. తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే యూ నీడ్ టు అడ్వాన్స్ ది పాయింటర్. పాయింటర్ ని అడ్వాన్స్ చేయాలి. నౌ విచ్ పాయింటర్ యూ నీడ్ టు అడ్వాన్స్? p1 అడ్వాన్స్ చేయాలా ఆర్ p2 యూ నీడ్ టు అడ్వాన్స్? అది ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది అంటే విచ్ టర్మ్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్? క్యూబ్ గ్రేటర్, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ గ్రేటర్, క్యూబ్ కదా. సో యూ నీడ్ టు అడ్వాన్స్ p1. సి ఏది గ్రేటరో జస్ట్ సీ ఇట్. క్యూబ్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్, దట్ మీన్స్ p1 టర్మ్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ x cube. That's why you need to advance. Okay, now p1 points to 6x power 1. p2 points to 2x square only. Don't advance p2. p2 ని అడ్వాన్స్ చేయొద్దు. p1 మాత్రమే అడ్వాన్స్ చేయాలి, బికాస్ p1's term x cube is greater than x square. Okay, completed. Next, again repeat the process. What is the process? Compare p1's. p1 is pointing to 6x, p2 is pointing to 2x square. Now what you have to do? You need to compare the exponents. Okay na, akkada chudandi. 2 is greater than 1. ఈ 2 దేనిది? p2 exponent. ఇది p1 exponent. Now ఏది గ్రేటర్? p2 exponent is greater. అంటే there is no x square term in p1. ఓకేనా? 2x square గ్రేటర్ గా ఉంది అంటే వాట్ ఇట్ మీన్? there is no x square term in p1. p1 లో అసలు x square టర్మే లేదు. ఓకే, దట్ మీన్స్ you have to add 2x square to the p3. Resultant ki you need to add 2x square. Okay, దేన్ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నారు? which one is greater? p2 term is greater, that you have to add to the p3. ఎందుకంటే గ్రేటర్ గా ఉంది అంటే there is no x square term in p1. లో x square term లేదు. That's why here what you need to do, you need to add 2x square to the p3. which one is greater? That term you need to add. Okay, you have added, completed. Next, which one you need to advance? Which pointer you need to advance? Can anyone say?
p2 ma'am.
p2 ma'am.
ఏది గ్రేటర్ గా ఉందో చూడండి. x square, p2 is greater. That means you need to advance a p2 term. Sorry, p2 pointer advance చేయాలి. Now p1 pointer will be there only, there itself. Don't touch p1. Okay, again repeat the process. ఇక్కడ చూడండి. Now p1 is pointing to 6x, p2 is pointing to 4x. Now see, 1 equal to 1. ఇది ఈ 1, what is this 1? This is exponent of p1, this is exponent of p2. Equal గా ఉంటే what you have to do? You need to add the coefficients. ఇట్లా యాడ్ చేయాలి. See here, p3 of COEFF equal to p1 of COEFF plus p2 of COEFF. Now in COEFF field ఏముంటుంది? 6. There will be 6. In p2 of COEFF that field what will be there? 4. You need to add 6 plus 4. You will get 10. That means in p3 you are getting 10. And P3 of exp equal to same, whatever it may be, P equal to P1 of exp or P2 of exp, ఏదైనా పర్లేదు, వన్నే కదా. ఇదిగోండి P3 ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ లో వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇన్సర్ట్ ఐదర్ P1 ఆఫ్ exp, P1 ఆఫ్ exp ఏంటి వన్నే, P2 ఆఫ్ exp ఏంటి వన్నే, ఏదైనా పర్లేదు, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి. I hope you understood students. Now 10x kada, 10x result is 10x plus 10x. Okay, ఇప్పుడు which one you need to see here, which pointer you need to advance, దేన్ని అడ్వాన్స్ చేయాలి అంటే both the pointers you need to advance. ఎందుకని, because exponent of p1 is equal to exponent of p2. See here, 1 is equal to 1, 6x power 1, 4x power 1 kada. Now p1 is pointing to 6x power 1, p2 is pointing to 4x power 1. Both are equal, exponents are equal కాబట్టి after adding coefficients add చేసిన తర్వాత you need to advance the pointer of p2 and p1, sorry p1 and p2. ఓకేనా, ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటే you need to advance both the pointers. ఈక్వల్ గా లేదు అంటే what you have to do, which term is greater, which exponent is greater చూసుకోండి, which exponent is greater, that exponent, that pointer you need to advance. ఏది గ్రేటర్ చూసుకోండి, that pointer advance it. Okay, and also you need to add to the p3, which one is greater, that term you need to add to the p3. ఎందుకని, greater గా ఉంది అంటే there is no that term in another p2 or p1. Okay na? Okay, now see here, here x power 0 కదా, ఇది x power 0. Okay, what you have to do, both pointers advance చేశారు, that means both are equal కదా, అందుకని advance చేశారు. That means now p1 is pointing to 3, p2 is pointing to 1. Now see the exponents equal, 0 equal to 0. ఈ 0 ఏంటిది, p1 exponent, this 0 is p2 exponent. Both are equal means what you have to do, you need to add coefficients. p3 coefficient equal to, see here, p3 COEFF equal to p1 కదా, I'm sorry, p1 COEFF అంటే 3 కదా, కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఏంటి 3x power 0, కోఎఫిషియంట్ is 3 plus p2 COEFF, p2 COEFF అంటే 1. See here, 1x power 0, కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఏంటి 1, 3 plus 1 you are getting 4. Now 4 is inserted into p3 అంటే p3 terms will have plus 4, that's all. X power 0 is nothing but 1 kada. Completed. This is what you are going to do. That means there are 3 cases. In 3 cases, there are 3 cases. Already in previous class I have said, to perform which operation, creation kada. To perform creation there are 3 cases. Like that only to perform addition also there are 3 cases. Let us see all those things. See, according to the algorithm only I have explained. Now let us see steps. Ma అర్థమైందా? Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
22 ఇంకా ఫాస్ట్ గానే చెప్పానా, స్లోగానే చెప్పానా? 22
స్లోగానే చెప్పారు మ్యామ్.
okay.
Like a passenger.
Who is that? Mahesh. Okay.
మహేష్
Okay,
బాబు
students.
don't tell like that.
Okay, enough.
I know.
చాలండి, enough. Keep quiet. Okay, see. Note down, students. Now let us see the steps. Please note down addition operation. Completed? Complete అయిందా?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్, అయ్యింది మ్యామ్.
Okay. Now see, నేనేం చెప్పాను, there are 3 cases కదా, there are 3 cases. Let us see the 3 cases. Already I have explained everything. First what you have to do, మా వింటూ రాసుకోండి, compare exponents of 2 polynomials. P1 exponent compare చేయండి and P2 exponent compare it. Both are equal. ఇక్కడ see here. 1 second. See, what is the first case? Equal. If both are equal, what we have to do? Can anyone answer? P1 exponent is equal, P2 exponent is equal. ఏం చేయాలి? What we have to do?
Addition of coefficients.
Yes, very good. You need to add P1 coefficient and P2 coefficient. See here. Add two polynomials coefficient and assign to P3. అంటే resultant కి you need to assign. తర్వాత next, see, if both are equal, ఏది exponents, if both exponents are equal, you need to advance a P1 pointer and P2 pointer. Both the pointers you need to advance. Advance అంటే it will point to next node. And repeat the process. Once again, repeat the process. Same. Please note down, students. So for this example, ఈ example కి చూడండి, there is 4x cube 2x power square. 2x square. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? P1 exponent 3 is not equal to 2. Equal కాదు. So for this example, this case is not going to work. ఎందుకని? Both are not equal. So for this example, this case is false. Equal కాదు కాబట్టి these statements are not going to work. Please note down. Mahesh Babu? Mahesh? Are you listening?
ma'am.
Are you
Yes,
listening?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if both exponents are equal, what we have to do?
Ma'am, Mahesh, ma'am. Not Mahesh
Mahesh.
Babu, ma'am.
చెప్పండి.
ఏం లేదు మ్యామ్.
ఏం లేదా? If both are equal, what we have to do? If both exponents are equal, what we have to do? Babu, Mahesh, what we have to do?
What, ma'am?
If both are equal, both exponents are equal, what we have to do? మాట్లాడరు, మిగతా అన్నిటికీ మాట్లాడతారు. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, but forgot it, ma'am.
Forgot ఏంటండి? ఇప్పుడే కదా చెప్పింది.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
ఓకే మహేష్, ఇక్కడ 4x క్యూబ్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2x స్క్వేర్ ఉంది. వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? P3కి ఏది వస్తుంది? విచ్ టర్మ్ విల్ కమ్? మహేష్,
Ma'am, please, ma'am, leave it, ma'am.
అది కూడా తెలీదా? 4x క్యూబ్ కదా.
క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం కాలేదు, మ్యామ్.
బాబు, P1 contains 4x cube, P2 contains 2x, something like this. ఇప్పుడు P3లో what you have to do? P1 plus P2 you need to add. ఇప్పుడు P3లో what will be there? హలో
మ్యామ్, వెయిట్ మ్యామ్, చూస్తున్నాను మ్యామ్.
అక్కర్లేదులేండి, ఏం న్యూస్ ఏది? ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, హ్యావ్ యూ కంప్లీటెడ్? షల్ ఐ మూవ్?
ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, మ్యామ్.
Yes,
X
ma'am.
స్క్వేరా? X స్క్వేరా?
మ్యామ్, లీవ్ ఇట్ మ్యామ్, సారీ మ్యామ్.
Okay. Next one. Case 2. Let us see case 2. I will explain. You just write on parallelly. Okay. Next, what you have to do? That case is failed. Both are not equal, kada? Now, see case 2. P1 exponent is greater than P2 exponent. Aithe what you have to do? Ikkada chudandi. Yes, P1 exponent 3. 3 is greater than P2 exponent 82. Yes, it is true. For this case, this is the example we took. For this case, see here, this is a true. Now all these statements will get executed. What you are going to do? Assign P1 coefficient and exponent to P3 because there is no 4x cube term. Sorry, x cube term. There is no x cube term. P2 low, there is no x cube term. That's why you are going to add.
మ్యామ్, ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి మ్యామ్? P3.
దేనికండి?
అదే P1 ఏమో 4x cube, P2 2x కదా మ్యామ్. ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి మ్యామ్ P3?
4x cube అండి. There is no x cube term plus 2x.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. I know ma'am, but forgot it ma'am.
Okay. Okay, see here. Vintu రాసుకోండి. See, here 3 is greater than 2. P1's term is greater than P2 term. That means you need to assign P3 కి ఏం అసైన్ చేయాలి అంటే which term is greater? P1's term is greater. That you need to assign. See here. See at the bottom. P3, now P3 contains 4x cube. Okay, now this is what that statement is. See here. Assign P1 coefficient and exponent to the resultant P3. Next, which pointer you need to advance? Which one is greater? P1's exponent is greater. That means P1 term must be advanced. Okay, now ఇక్కడ చూడండి 4x cube plus 6x plus 3 కదా. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? P2 లో ఏముంది? P2 contains 2x square plus 4x plus 1. ఇక్కడ now you need to see 3 is greater than 2 కాబట్టి now you need to advance P1 pointer. Now P1 points to 6x. P2 will be there in 2x square only. Repeat the process. Okay, now see. Have you understood, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note down. See, for P3 you need to create a node. You have to create a node and then you need to assign the values. ఏది గ్రేటర్, విచ్ టర్మ్ గ్రేటర్ చూసుకోండి. విచ్ టర్మ్ అంటే ఎక్స్పోనెంట్, విచ్ పాయింటర్స్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ ఇస్ గ్రేటర్, దట్ ఓన్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ టు ది P3. గ్రేటర్ అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి అంటే దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ టర్మ్ ఇన్ P2 లో ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ టర్మే లేదు కాబట్టి సేమ్ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ టర్మ్ యూ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ టు ది P3. మీకు రిజల్టెంట్ కి P3 గెట్స్ ఓన్లీ P1's ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ 4x cube వస్తుంది. ఓకే, shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining members?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one is case 2. Case 3 చూడండి. See the case 3. Just you have to write. See here, P1 ఇక్కడే ఉంది. Sorry. P1 is moved to the next. P2 అక్కడే ఉంది. Observe it. Once again draw this diagram. Here P1 exponent 3 is greater than 2. That's why what you have done, you have added 4x cube to the P3. ఏది greater? P1 term కదా, that you have added to P3 and then you have advanced P1 pointer to the next node. Now P1 points to next node, P2 points to same node only. But చూడండి, repeat the procedure. Once again you have to compare P1's exponent. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, P1's exponent ఏంటిది? P1 exponent 1. కేస్ 3 చూడండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, P2 exponent 2 is greater than P1 exponent 1. Once again see, P2 exponent వచ్చి 2. See, P2 is not, P2 is there in 2x square only. First node లోనే ఉంది. P1 only you have moved to the next node. Now you need to compare P1 exponent, P2 exponent. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, P2 exponent 2 is greater than P1. ఈ నోడ్ కదా 1, 2 is greater than 1 కాబట్టి what you have to do, you need to assign P2 coefficient and exponent to the P3. అంటే see here, this one is 6x, this is 6x, this is 2x square. That means there is no x term. ఏది greater? P2's exponent square, x square is greater కదా. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? x power 1. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? x square. That means P2 term is greater. అంటే ఏంటి అర్థం? there is no x square term in P1. That's why you need to add P2 term. ఏది greater? That term you need to add to the P3. Assign P2 coefficient and exponent to the P3. అంటే P3 equal to 2x square. See here. See at the bottom. Sir, bottom. See here. See. Like this, you need to add. Okay. After adding, See which pointer you need to advance, which one is greater. P2 terms, P2 exponent is greater. That means P2 must, now P2 should point to the 4x power 1 దీనికి. Now P2 should point to the 4x power 1. And P1 will be there in 6x only. You should not move P1. P1 అలాగే ఉంటుంది. Which one is greater? P2 exponent is greater. That means you need to move P2 pointer to the next node. Write down. This bottom one is resultant one. See, after advancing the pointer, once again you need to repeat the process. That means again from case 1, equal a kada, greater a kada, ఏది greater, that you need to see. Shall I move? Have you completed? Have you completed? Shall I move?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, see here. Now once again you need to compare. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, P1 is at 6x power 1, P2 is at 4x power 1. మళ్ళీ కంపేర్ చేయండి. both are equal means case 1 is going to execute. అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? you need to add. See, P1 COEFF అంటే 6 plus P2 COEFF అంటే 4, because both terms are equal. 6x power 1, 4x power 1. So 10x. That you are going to add to the P3. See here, that you are going to add to the P3. Okay. After that, see, both are equal. Kabatti, what you have to do? You need to advance P1 and P2. Both the pointer you need to advance. Again, repeat the process. Ante case 1, from case 1 to you need to repeat the process. Ante exponents you need to compare. Okay, write down, please write down. See, in examination also, if they asked about the algorithm, you just go through this example only. Whatever I said, just write down the example only. Have you completed? Shall I move? Amma అయిపోయిందా? Shall I
Yes,
move?
ma'am.
Write down fastly. See, are you able to understand what I am saying? అర్థమవుతుందా నేను చెప్పేవన్నీ? మా
Yes,
అర్థమవుతున్నాయా?
ma'am. అర్థమవుతున్నాయి, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
అర్థమవుతున్నాయి, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'm moving to the next slide. Okay, we have done in previous step. We have advanced P1 and P2. Why? Because P1 is x power 1, P2 is x power 1. Both are equal kada. Both are equal kabatti what we have done? 6 plus 4, 10. We have added. Tarvata both are equal kabatti we need to advance P1 and P2. Once again repeat the process. Ante once again check P1's exponent. P1's exponent is 0. P2 exponent is 0. Both are equal. Both are equal means what you have to do? You need to add coefficients. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 kada, add to the P3. See at bottom. Add to the P3. P3 of COEFF equal to P1 of COEFF plus P2 of COEFF. Add it. Add చేసిన తర్వాత exponent place you can keep either P1 exponent or P2 exponent. Both are equal only. Okay. After that you need to advance the pointer, but there is null. Now stop the algorithm. That means you are at last node. If you are at last node, stop the algorithm. If P1 is null and P2 is null, you need to stop the algorithm. You cannot advance, right? Stop the algorithm. This is the polynomial addition operation. Okay, students, I'm going to take the attendance.